This is Mbago, the strong woman of Ogbendida, who is feared and revered by all. It is believed that all the spirits of power in the air have possessed her. People are so scared of her because she comes in only when the Dibias have failed, and she has never failed in anything. She refers to herself as the ancient apocalypse.
Who dares enter my territory without an invitation? Show yourself! Stop there!
My child, please help my child. My child is dying. Please help me. Help my child, please. Great one, please, please. Please, great one, please. Please. Great one. My child, oh, my child.
Hey! Your son will not die. Please. For I say the purity of your requests. Wait.
My only child, my only child.
Hey, woman! Stop there. I am Mbago, one with the 7 spirits of the universe. When I am ready to kill someone, no one can save the person. And when I want to save someone, no one can kill the person. Your child will not die. Take this.
Thank you.
Hold it.
Thank you.
Do not allow it to fall.
Thank you.
You will take your son to Onungene. Beat him with this 3 times. And he will be made whole. Now go.
Thank you, great one. Thank you, great one.
Hey! Important! Do not look back on your way from the stream.
Elders of our land, the gods of Ogbendida have been very merciful to us.
Yes.
Yes. Our gods have continued to bless us.
Yes. You're right.
All the farmers and all the fishermen that are coming to this palace to see the king, they are all coming happy and rejoicing. And that is why we are here to celebrate. Yeah? We are going to celebrate with the best of wine. Yeah?
Yes. Indeed, my king. The gods of this kingdom, Obwendida, are so merciful.
What do I call it?
The gods have answered all our prayers. Yes. So why won't we be happy and celebrate?
The gods of our land has given us a lot of prosperity.
Yes.
We need to celebrate.
Yes. And the gods shall continue to guide us.
Yes.
The things we are going to eat are the things that will continue to come to us.
Yes.
All the things that may eat us will never come.
Yes.
We are praying that our farmers, our fishermen, they will continue to smile.
Yes.
Because when they are smiling, we are equally smiling.
Yes.
Even our enemies, we are praying for their progress, as long as they are not standing on our ways.
Yes.
But if our enemies have become our enemies indeed, to the extent that they are planning our downfall, they will be buried right before our eyes.
Igwe.
Beautiful Umbago. The one with the beauty that intimidates. You are actually the most beautiful woman I have set my eyes on.
Ezabada of Obendida. Does it mean you do not want to stop?
Why in this world will I stop? When the combination of the sun and the moon rise in your eyes, your beauty mesmerizes my view. I cannot take my mind off you.
But you have to look for a way to do that.
There is no way. Because you are the most beautiful woman I have set my eyes on. That is why I keep coming. What have I not done to let you know that I want you? And you keep resisting me. For how long are you going to resist me? Look around this place. Are you actually comfortable living here alone? You can come with me to the palace because my palace is where you belong. I am going to give you the kind of life you need. Please.
Ezabada, I have told you several times. You cannot have me.
Why?
You cannot. Two kingdoms do not dwell on one land. One must swallow up the other.
Why are you talking about kingdoms swallowing up the other? Where we are talking about how we feel for one another. Why do you like talking in riddles? Why do you like to talk in riddles?
Ezabada.
You are that very beautiful woman who has already demystified the confusion of age. For more than 30 seasons I have known you. You have remained like this.
And you still desire to have me?
That is why I am the king. Just allow me to take you to a realm where you are going to experience something very different. I am going to make you feel so good.
Ezabada, why are you digging your grave in my territory? Why? I have told you, two kingdoms cannot dwell on one land. One must swallow up the other.
I don't know why you are threatening me. It has not gotten to that. We are talking about...
Now, leave my territory. Ezabada, leave my territory! Now!
I will leave. But you are going to agree with me that you are the most beautiful woman that I have set my eyes on.
Ezabada, leave my territory.
I am still wondering why you turned the prince's proposal down. I mean, do you have someone better than him?
Not at all.
So,
But turning him down has nothing to do with him as a person. The truth is, he wasn't mature at that time.
nigga, how can you even say that? Wait, he was not mature, yet he proposed, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, what are you saying?
I don't know how else to explain it for you to understand. But the truth is, he wasn't mature. But right now, he is very mature.
Okay, wait. Wait. Are you trying to say if he manages to propose to you right now, you're not going to say no to him?
My friends.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings.
Okay. I think I have something to actually do at home. I will see you later.
I'll see you later. Go well. My friends.
How are you?
I'm fine. My friend and I were actually discussing about you before she sighted you coming.
I do not want to bother myself asking what you were discussing with me, because I know you can never say wrong things of me.
Are you sure?
Very sure. You know, you are one woman who has captured my heart. Like, only the sight of you makes me feel happy, makes me want to see you more and more over and over again.
Not again with your sweet mouth. No. I bet you have a special charm in your mouth. That is what you use to cast a spell on me.
No. You are the one who cast a spell on me with your enchanting beauty. Take a look at
Oh,
this.
please.
Oh, wait. So you don't know how beautiful you are?
Tell
Maybe
me
I
about it.
Okay. You are endowed. You are beautiful. You are a goddess. You are...
It's okay. So tell me, how did you know that I'm here?
Well, I used my charm to locate you.
What do you mean you used your charm? Tell me, how did you know?
You do not believe me?
One bit.
All right. I'll confess. I actually went to your hut and your mother told me where to find you.
I thought as much. So, what did you bring for me?
You want to know?
Yes.
A love unseen. A love as pure as the dove. A love as white as the snow. In fact, I brought nothing but a heart full of love.
Thank you. Thank you for all of the gifts that you brought for me. Unseen. Unseen gifts.
I have something to you.
Really?
Yes, I have it for you. My love, I have been thinking about something lately.
What is it?
You have shown me nothing but love and care since I met you. You are the only woman who gives me peace and encouragement. I cannot imagine my life without you. You are everything I think and I want in a woman. And because of this, I want to make you my wife.
Yes.
I will marry you. I want to live with you. I want to be the mother of your unborn children. Yes, I will marry you. I will marry you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I have to tell my father at once. And I promise you we are going to have the best marriage ceremony ever. You have made me the happiest man on earth. I love you.
I love you more.
Oh no, we are looking troubled. What is it?
That is because there is trouble, my king. There is trouble.
Trouble in this land where I rule as king? That is not possible. Okay, what is it? Can you let it out?
My king, live forever. I heard from the council that there will be crowning of King of Kings in Omambala. As in, of all the 12 kings of the 12 kingdoms of Omambala, one will be selected and crowned King of Kings. The rest of the kings will be under this king. He will be the only one who prays at Agbanabo, the central deity of Omambala people. The glory of our Wende that will be submitted to this king. How does this sound to you, my king?
Well, no, with the glory of our Wende that will never be submitted under any king. I already heard of this. And if there is anybody who is going to be the king of kings and be qualified to pray at Agbanabo, like you mentioned, that king must be me. I need you to go and summon the others.
Right away, my king.
We'll pick it up. King of kings.
Onyeze, may you live long. A man who asks questions does not miss his path. Thank you for letting us know about this. Our gods have given us a lot of prosperity. We lack nothing as a people. Our farmlands are fertile. In my opinion, I would suggest that you let them have that title. You are a great man. You don't need it.
Ichiebulie, I suggest you keep quiet. That is if you don't know what to say. What do you know about power and greatness? Ichiebulie, do you know what it means to be king of kings? Ezendieze in Omambala, do you know? Who said that our king and kingdom are not worthy of that great honor? Huh? My king, please, forgive him. Just don't mind him. Let us start making preparations for that great day.
If I should be allowed to air my views on this matter at this point in time, I would say that when someone is so much in a hurry to pick the palm nut from the furnace of fire, the tendency is that the fingers of such a one will be seared by the fire. Therefore, I suggest that we give some time for thought over this matter. If possible, let us consult the gods. Think about this thoroughly before we come to a conclusion for this matter.
What if I will tell you, or what if you are told that I have already reached a conclusion on this? For me to win this contest and emerge the king of kings, Eze Ndi Eze of Omambala, I knew it that I would be needing a lot of powers. And you, Mbago, the powerful woman of our Obendida, you are the one who readily comes to mind. And that is why I have come to ask you humbly, please, assist me achieve this.
Let us assume that I listen to you and help you to become the king of kings of Omambala. What is in it for me?
Well, without wasting your time, I will tell you that if you do it, I will give you half of my kingdom. I want it to spread far and wide that I am the king of kings, Eze Ndi Eze na Omambala.
Eze Ndi Eze of Omambala.
I venture Kambulu.
Is that not too much for one man?
Forget the fact that you have continued to deny me access into the woman in you. That has not taken away the fact that I am indeed a man who is mightier than 10 men put together. I am interested in becoming the Eze Ndi Eze of Omambala because I am indeed the only one who is qualified to have that title.
I will help you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mbago. I knew it, that I can always count on you.
But there is a condition.
Well, nothing for nothing is an ancient rule that is actually older than men. I knew it, that something must have to go in for me to achieve this. Tell me this condition and consider it done.
Come close.
Your Majesty, may you live forever. What I have served you here is your favorite. You have not even touched it. Is everything all right, my king? Apologies, my king. I will check later.
Of all the requests she could have made, why this one?
Who dares come into my territory without an invitation? Show yourself now!
I am the one. Eze Abada of Obendida Kingdom.
Your Majesty, have you come to grant my requests?
I have actually come to ask you humbly to make another request. This, your very request, is already not so good for my son. My son is engaged to a maiden. And this request of yours is going to destroy their union. Can you please make another request and not this one? Please?
Izabada, you are such a selfish man.
How?
I have made my request and it's final. You have 3 days. 3 days to grant my request. Otherwise, you are at the risk of losing your throne.
What does that mean? I am already the king of Obwendeda Kingdom, and there is no man who can challenge me. I only want to expand my powers by becoming the king of kings. Eze ndi eze no Mambala. That is all.
And I have told you what you can do to trigger my support for you. When I'm out for you, I'm out for you. Every other contender will step into their shell. I will not have this conversation with you anymore. Music.
Shut up, shut up, shut up. How dare you insult the king by playing a witchaka before me?
What king? The king that cannot take decision as a king does not have the right to show his power in my territory. Egwishaka is my music and you have no right to stop it. Music!
Why is this woman so evil? My biggest problem is that I have already mentioned this position to her. She is going to work against me if I fail to dance to her music. But how can she make a request as huge as this? But when it comes to acquisition of power and authority, a man must do what a man must do.
Quest of power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah, the quest for power is dangerous.
Greetings, father.
Greetings, son. Guards, you please leave us.
What is going on, Father? Why did you dismiss the guards?
My heart has been very heavy for some time now. I know you are a man who has grown to be able to make his own decisions. But I need you to know that my decision is always the best. It is the best for me, best for you, best for the family, and best for the kingdom. A time will always come in the life of a man when he will be required to make a very tough decision. And this is that time in your life.
Father, you're confusing me. And what is this tough decision you speak of?
A revelation was made to me a few days ago. And one way or the other, the revelation I'm talking about is connected to your future. But only one condition was laid before me for it to become a success. Just one condition.
Father, you have not said anything yet. I want you to understand something. I am now a man.
I said so.
Yes. So whatever it is you want to talk about, go ahead, say it, and I will understand you.
I will unleash all the powers within my reach to make sure you become the King of Kings of Omambala.
Thank you.
But on the condition that your son, the Prince Ifekante, becomes my husband.
That was our only condition. Just that.
Father, how can she make this an evil request? No! Wait, Father. What did you say? Did you agree to this request?
Can you please relax and see the brighter side of this?
There is nothing brighter in this. There is nothing brighter in this. Because there is no way I am going to settle with such an ageless woman whom the charm peddling masquerades are even scared of.
This more reason I told you that it is going to be a tough decision for you to make. Listen, royal heads or people who are in royalty must always make tough decisions simply to protect the kingdom.
Father, this has nothing to do with the kingdom. Yes, it has nothing to do with this kingdom. You know, I will not, I repeat, I will not settle with such a woman, a psycho of a woman. No!
Listen to me, son. You are going to become the king of this kingdom someday. And when that time comes, you will realize the importance of this.
For all I know, she is old enough to be my mother. But I cannot.
You know yourself that I am your father. There is no way I will mislead you. Don't you get it? I am not going to lead you to a woman who is going to destroy you because you are my son.
What happens to the woman I have always wanted? No, what happens to that young maiden? Have you ever sat down to ask yourself what is going to happen to this maiden? You want me to settle with such a woman, such an old woman? No. There is something.
Hey, hold it right there. How dare you try to work out on me? I am still the king of this kingdom. And I am your father. You don't have to disobey me. Ponder on what I have presented to you because that is the way forward. You must have to do it. The consequences of disobedience is going to be very grave.
Quest of power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah, the quest for power is dangerous.
I know. I know that I must find you here.
Huh? Ifekante, my very good friend, the crown prince of our kingdom. It is you that I greet. Is it? I went to the palace, to give you wonderful gist. And you were not in the palace. And I say, Kedebo, I said, no, let me come here. But you must be here because this is your waiting place with the Dikeh. What are you doing here? Ah! You are waiting for Neka. Your Neka. If any Nawa, you bugo. If any Nawa, you know, Jelly. Please, you bugo. If I can. Eh? Ah. Chiro, if you can take. Ogene. Eh? What is it? Talk to me, what is the problem? Eh? Because The last time I saw you like this was when your mother died. So, what is the matter with you? Talk to me now. No, talk to me. I'm your... Listen, I am your friend. It is me, Okunka, the son of Mbadi. Will talk to me. Keleboneje. If I can tell... Prince, if I can tell... What is going on? Give me this idiot. If I can tell... Table Jesse. Where back on? And I come to meet him on Apple. Neka Janolo. This must be. If you didn't want you this idiot. If you didn't neka, if I can tell. You see? This is why I agree to myself that I must be with a maiden that throws herself at me. Eh? It can only be Neka, probably Neka has refused to allow this Ifekante to wear the Nazi. It becomes a problem. Yes!
Nkechi, that is the truth. I do not know why, but I don't just like her. I don't. Neka, please, don't put us into trouble. I mean, Mbago is wed. That woman can actually hear us from wherever she is.
This is just my problem with all of you in this village. Why are you attaching so much power to that schemer? She is a witch. And the earlier you all unmask her for who she is, the better for all of us.
Alright. Neka, please. I am in a better position to tell you this, and two for free.
Okay.
Mbago is not a schemer. She's a woman that controls so much powers. That is why everyone is afraid of her. I mean, why are we even in my heart discussing her?
Because the king sent words across to me saying that he wants to discuss something about Mbago with me.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Have you gone to see him?
That is where the problem is. I do not like that woman. I don't want to be seen discussing about her. No.
But that is exactly what we are doing right now. In my heart.
What do you mean? I am not discussing her. I just mentioned her because of the king's invitation. I don't like her. Not one bit.
Okay, fine. You don't like her. Accepted. Can we go now? Let's go.
Never. Never. It cannot happen. No. How can this be? Yeah? No. Chiro, if you can take. Did she cast a spell on the king? Yeah? No. What made him agree to such condition?
That is what I have been asking myself. But my father has kept on telling me that it is for the kingdom.
What exactly is for the kingdom? No, tell me what exactly is for the kingdom. Ha! Hey! If you can tell, something is wrong somewhere.
My thought.
Exactly my thought.
But the question now is, how do we find this out and expose it? How do we do that?
What about Neka? Have you told her yet?
You do not expect me to tell her this? No. Her word will be torn apart, considering the fact that I am the first to part her waters. She will lay a curse on me and my entire generation.
This is why I have never agreed to take the virginity of any maiden in this kingdom. Because I don't want anyone laying curses on me. I'm telling you. Because if you succeed in parting the waters, wow, any small mistake from you, I will lay a curse on you.
Can you stop? Stop this nonsense and focus on the issue. Be reasonable here. Just be reasonable. Say something meaningful.
Oh, well, you are right. You are right. Let us focus on the issue. Yes. Ha! Oh, my friend.
Question.
My friend. If I can take...
Will you shut up?
But this is
just stop. Stop.
Were you not the one that said that?
The question is, what do we do? What do we do? Stop all this nonsense.
Yes. Old people should know that we are young. But we are not foolish. Okay, for it. We are old enough to take decisions for ourselves. I'm trying to focus on the issue. Do you understand? I have left the part of taking virginity. Let us just focus on the issue. They should know. They should know that we are old enough to take care of ourselves.
What are we going to do?
That I'm saying. It is.
No, you're not saying
it is madness. This is madness. We're going to find solution for this madness. You understand?
Okay.
Don't worry. Oh, you're my president. Don't worry. I am with you. We will sort all this nonsense and then focus, destroy it, focus on it, destroy the madness, and then Kim. What I want to tell you now, whatever decision that you take, let me know. I am with you. I promise.
I humble myself before the great king.
Greetings, my king.
Before the great king of Obandela Kingdom. May your reign continue to be blissful, my king.
It was yesterday, when the sun was in the middle of the sky, that I summoned you to appear before the king. Why are you arriving now?
A woman in her circle is not supposed to appear before the king. It ended the day before yesterday. I wanted to be sure and qualified to see the king.
You are indeed grounded, a daughter of the soil. You are knowledgeable in the rules. And those are part of the reasons I approved your union with my son. Please be seated.
Thank you, my king.
I actually sent for you because everything has changed.
What changed, my king?
There are new developments.
What new development are you talking about, Your Majesty?
Do you mean to say my son has not said anything to you?
No, he didn't say anything to me. What is it that you're talking about?
That's very strange. Well, if the prince of Obandela Kingdom, who should be the one talking, has refused to do so, the king of Obandela will. The marriage between you and the prince of Obandela has been cancelled. And that is because the groom has found a better bride.
What are you talking about, Your Majesty?
I want to believe you heard me clearly. And by this information, a royal restriction is here placed, forbidding you from coming anywhere near this palace with any other attachment, apart from a subject. Am I understood?
Your Majesty, you cannot do this to me.
Well, I have said what I said. And what I said is final. Don't disobey this instruction.
Stop crying. Neka, it's okay now, please. Because
Asam, what is it? What is wrong? Why are you crying? Are you okay? What happened? Please talk to me. What happened to her? Say something, please. Why is she crying?
Good is in.
Don't name me. And as for you, Prince, why did you ever tell my daughter that you were going to marry her when all you wanted was to use her and dump her for another woman?
Ne, how can you say a thing like that? No. I can't even commit such indecent act. I can't try it, not against my Neka. Please.
Please, my prince cannot.
Now listen, don't name me. I am not your mother. Go and ask your father who humiliated my daughter here, all because of you. Let me tell you, we are not beggars. I don't care about your wealth. Take it elsewhere, but leave us alone. Now leave and don't come back here again. Did you get that? Leave!
But please, do not be offended. Can you tell us why she is crying?
You heard me now, didn't you? I said, let him go and find out from his father.
What wrong have I ever done? What? What wrong has that innocent maiden done to you that you have decided to cause her and her family pain? Why?
Why are you barking like a dog? I am your father. I am only helping you. I have not done anything wrong. I tried to make things easy for her by telling her about your new bride. That is all.
I did not ask you, Father. I needed not your help. Why are you tearing me apart? Why are you doing this? Listen, Father, I want you to keep that maiden and her family out of your dishonesties. Please!
You are actually the one who is tearing them apart with your stupidity. I have made a decision concerning your marriage, and that decision is final.
And that decision I have been trying so hard to understand. Please, can you explain it to me?
I found another bride for you. The one I believe is best for you, for us to secure the future of this family.
I will not
settle for that one, and everything will be all right.
Father, I will not marry that woman. A woman who has been commanding powers and has remained the same since I was a child.
The more reason you have to settle for her, because she is powerful. She is going to help you navigate the difficult terrain by the time you are king. Listen, your marriage to Mbago is already settled, and there is nothing you can do about it. Can you understand it?
I have seen how stubborn and difficult you are. I wait for you, Father.
Son, do not make the mistake of squaring up to me, because I'm going to forget the fact that you are my son. I will break you and break your bones.
My love, please, listen to me.
Listen to you about what? What else do you want me to listen to? You want me to listen to the fact that you and your father conspired to take my virginity, making me believe that you want to marry me, only for you to abandon me for another woman. A woman old enough to be your mother. A witch at that.
No. Listen to me. It was all my father's idea. I never consented to this. I did not. You are the one I want. You are the one I want to marry. You are the one I love. Please, I cannot do anything to hurt you.
But you're already married to her. Ain't you?
I am not. I swear on my mother's grave. I cannot marry another woman. I can't even think of it. You are the one I truly want in my life. Not that woman. No. Please. Listen.
Are you saying that you are going to sort this out and then marry me?
I am going to sort everything out and I'll make sure you are safe. Nothing will happen to you.
And then marry me?
Yes. And marry you.
West of power is dangerous.
I trust you.
The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah,
I'm sorry.
The quest for power is dangerous.
I'm sorry.
What and what do you hear people say about me?
The people of this land are so afraid of you that they hardly speak of you in our presence.
Some even believe you have powers to hear them when they speak about you in their houses.
Interesting. And do you believe what they say about me?
We don't believe that, but they have come to believe because of how you carry yourself.
So how do I carry myself? Huh?
I am going to say what I once heard Ono say. He said that Mbago of Ogbendida is married to a demon of death. And that is why she defined death.
Seriously? Let me ask three of you. Am I evil?
No.
Okay. I'm going to tell you a secret. I, Mbago, will become the king of this land. And it's during my reign that I will compensate three of you for working for me. Thank you.
That would be so nice.
This is the king's last warning. Get your daughter to stay away from the prince. Else.
You are intimidating us for nothing. My daughter has nothing to do with the royal family anymore.
So where is she? I'm sure she's somewhere planning evil against the king. Let her not better try it, for it will be disastrous.
Now take my words to the king. The gods will always fight for the just.
Beautiful Mbago. Welcome to my abode. Why have you come in unannounced? Where are your mates?
I'm here to see the prince. Where is my husband?
Can you please take it easy? He is not in the palace. He went out to see his friend Ofunka, but he will be back before nightfall.
I'll be back here this time tomorrow. Make sure he's at home. And as for the Omambala coronation, it is this time next week. Okay? And I will be here for the rituals.
Thank you, wise one. I will be with you patiently.
Who will save us? Who will liberate us?
What do you think?
You know there is really nothing you can do to bring him back.
Mother, the prince is not into this. The king is the one pushing him into this, and I know that he will not break my man. He won't.
Do you really know who the king of Ogbendida is? This is connected to his ambition, and he will do anything to get to it. Please, my daughter, let go.
Mother, you will not understand. I love this man. He's the love of my life. He is my first love. I cannot live without him. How do you expect me to let go of him just like that? Is that easy? It's not that easy, Mother. It's not.
I know it's difficult, my dear. It's difficult. But what can you do? Fight the king? Of course not. Or confront Mbago, that evil woman. I will not allow them kill you for me. You are all I've got. You are my only child. Please, let's go.
Mother, the mere fact that that evil woman is involved in this is enough reason for me to stay back and fight for my man. Yes.
You mean confront Mbago, then have my entire family wiped off? Mecca, please. Please,
Mother,
let go.
stop. You're giving this woman so much credit. She is nothing. And coming for my man is going to be the end of her. Because I will destroy her. I will.
Mecca, Biko, no, have pity on your mother. Biko. My only child, please. Don't allow them destroy you or take you away.
Nobody is going to destroy me, Mother. You don't have to be scared of that witch. She cannot destroy me.
She's evil. I'm scared for our lives. Please.
Do you know that if I have a friend that lives in the same village with me and has refused to check up on me for 5 good days, I will know that person is not a friend.
True. Nkechi, let me understand what you are saying. Let me just understand exactly what you are saying. That I am a bad friend to the prince? Is that what you are trying to say?
Are you a good friend? No, answer me. Are you a good friend to the prince? How can you live in the same town with your friend for 5 good days and you refuse to check up on him? You're not even bothered in any way. Are you a friend?
Stop that nonsense. What nonsense is that now? Huh? Please, because stop twisting this. Stop. Do not make it appear as if I am a bad friend to the prince. I am not. Philmond. It was the king who ordered me out because he felt I was misleading the prince. No.
Okay. Since you knew you were not in any way misleading the prince, why do you have to stay away from him for 5 days?
Does it mean that you did not hear what I said, that the king ordered me out?
Listen to me. If anything should happen to the prince, listen to me again. If anything should happen to the prince in any way at all, the ancestors will definitely hold you responsible for it.
Because
Get out.
Idiot. No, Bako. No, Nchi. You want to get you up? Chino, bia. I'm working at the aluku. I'm working at the aluku. Ezi. No, kawo. No, get you up. Oh, the ancestors. Oh, you are not the ancestors. On go with the ancestors, Nkechi. Ewu! Look at you.
She said it wrong. Mbago igwanyo. Yeah. Alueme. Yeah. Who will save us? Who will liberate us?
After what another elude, no snare elude. It's like an elude, or snap out.
Your Majesty, greetings. The revered king of Ogbendida. Your reign is going to be forever.
Ogunka, please, you may be seated.
Your Majesty, the urgency of what brought me here does not require me sitting.
Well, you are the one who should be encouraging the prince to obey the king always. You are the one saddled with that responsibility. Why are you slacking on that responsibility? Why are you not encouraging him to obey the king?
Your Majesty, just like his name says, that which is mightier than in day has entered in this house.
How do you mean?
Your Majesty, I am not going to paint walls. I am not going to. See, Your Majesty, it is now a matter of life or death. I'm telling you, based on what I've seen, Your Majesty, my friend Prince Kante is in a very serious trouble.
Trouble?
Yes.
What trouble are you talking about?
What trouble? Your Majesty, I have the confirmation that Mbago is using evil spells on my friend Prince Kante.
Do you actually want me to kill you before your time, Okunka? Before you stop getting involved in royal affairs? What is wrong with you? Are you sick in the head or what?
Your Majesty, this is a matter of life or death. I saw her.
You are the one that death will cripple. Huh? Let this be the very last time you will get involved in royal affairs. Okunka, you are not royalty. You are a fool who got attached to royalty by friendship. You are not part of royalty. And let this be the very last time you will step your foot into this palace to be discussing anything royalty. If you try it again, I am going to deal with you personally. Stand up. Stand up, I said, and then get out. If you say pim, hey, pull that sword and
Hey! Hello! Hello!
Honestly, I find it difficult to understand what is going on. She wants to make him her husband. And she's casting a spell on him. Why? How?
That explains why the prince does not want to see anyone again. Listen, I saw it with my very eyes. the prince becomes weak. I'm telling you, suddenly becomes weak the moment she appears. I'm telling you, the moment she appears, and then he loses control over himself. And then that idiot that called herself Mbago dragged him into the hut. I'm telling you.
Honestly, I really do not want to disobey my mother. Because she wanted me to stay away from the royal family.
No, Neka, no. No. Some orders are not meant to be obeyed. Do you understand? You are the one that the prince genuinely loves. You know. Do you understand? So I urge you to rise up and save the prince before that idiot kills him.
Have you told the king?
I did, but he never believed me. If you see the way he walked me out of his presence. Hey, Myanmar, you are a nobody. You are a son of nobody. No pain, I will personally do if you see the way.
That's because he has a hand in it. He knows what is going on.
Shut up. Just shut up, the. What do you mean? What's the problem? Do you know the kind of problem that you want to incur to yourself? How can you accuse the king without being sure? The king of Obendida.
I swear on my life. The prince is being manipulated. And the king knows everything about it. He knows.
Who is that rat and what are you doing here?
I might be a rat to you, but I could also be a pest to you, Mbago. Yes, I know that everyone in this kingdom fears you. I also know that the mighty men tremble at your presence. But I have realized that you are nothing but a coward. Yes, if not, why would you choose to cast a spell on the prince before going in with him? Why? Why won't you do what every other woman does?
Why are you digging your grave in my compound?
Bury me. Bury me in the grave, Mbago! Bury me! Why can't you seduce him into liking you as you have claimed him to be your husband? Why can't you seduce him? Why cast his spell?
What on earth gave you the guts to walk into my territory and ask me stupid questions?
No! 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 My questions are not stupid, and you know that. They're not stupid. Listen, I used to be afraid of you, but not anymore. You know why? Because you have tampered with the people that I love. Mbago, just one request. Leave my friend the Prince Ifekante alone to live his life in peace. Else, you will see your downfall. Hello. Hello.
At least now you have confirmed that the woman is not as powerful as you people make her look.
That woman is evil. Aye. If not that I first went to drink the water from the sacred Apalata stream, that attack from her would have killed me. I'm telling you. I gave her a dose. Who is she?
Listen, the truth is that we must stop seeing this woman as a dreaded. She's a human. And she's already doing too much. We have to bring her down before she destroys us.
Jero, who is seeing her as dreaded? Me. Ta! She's an idiot. That I didn't get because they call her Mbago. Mbago say.
We have to do something.
The next I will visit her. Woyana. I'm telling you. Oh, if she raises that thing again, Woyana. She's an idiot.
Mbago the greatest.
Your Majesty.
To the best of my knowledge, you have had your way with my son. And that is what you had always wanted. Now that you have had your way, please, can you grant my request?
I've not done anything with your son.
What?
But there are forces stopping him from having erection in my presence.
What does that mean? My son has not been exposed to any forces. He's still a young man.
You're feeling that way because you've not been paying close attention. You cannot trust young men of today. If I cannot have my way, then you cannot become the King of Kings.
What forces? If you want me to assist in the destruction of these forces or these powers, can you please guide me? Who are they?
Stop your son. He will always submit to the power of down the strong. And those powers are stopping me from having my way. He cannot have erection before me.
What are the forces? Which forces? You don't even know the forces. Can you even manage this?
When we have failed with our mortal powers, we must seek the face of the forces that are mightier than us. I have come to the central deity of Obendida to inform you that the evil ones are trying to assume gods over your children. Please. Please. Hear my cry and give me power. Give me strength to confront them. For if nothing is done, it will be recorded that a man of Obendeda has been made to marry a woman who is old enough to be his mother.
Okunka! 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 The son of Mbadiwe Okunka. I know why you are here. I know why you are here. But be not afraid, for evil only triumphs when the elect of the gods do nothing. She is constantly weakening your friend with her evil spell.
Oh. Izalose, I have decided to do something. Just in line with his name, Ifekante. That which is mightier than Nte has entered Nte's house. In other words, that which is mightier than the termite has entered the termite's hole. The evil one has a strong grip over my friend, that if care is not taken, she will succeed in making my friend her husband.
Ezabada of Obendida is compromised. And that is why he has been avoiding me.
Please, Ezalose, please, I beg of you, please. Please, please help. Please help on behalf of the royal family. I vowed on my honor that if you rescue my friend from this disaster that is waiting to happen, I, Okunka, the son of Mbadiwe, will offer you a ram after the harvest. Please help.
Take this sand, which I have picked before you. Go straight to the prince. The moment you set your eyes on the prince, throw the sand upon him, and all the negative influences will disappear, will be neutralized. He will become free, and nothing again will work against him. Ensure to lead him out of the palace. Immediately, you will notice her powerlessness.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Now let's have a say. I promise I will never support you.
If any man who than you, aye, Anyaga walaga nu, eh, Mbago igwan you, aye, yeah, alueme, aye, yeah, who will save us? Who will liberate us?
Ifekante. Prince Ifekante. Prince. My prince. It's me. Upunka. The son of my way.
What was that? What happened?
I came to rescue you. We don't have much time. Yes, we need to live here. We don't have much time.
You have come to rescue me?
Yes.
Rescue me from what exactly?
From Mbago. That evil woman has been casting spells at you. She wants to make you her husband. I'm telling you, she wants to make you her husband. And she has been using all the powers that she has accumulated to do this. I'm telling you.
Are you serious?
I am very serious.
Wait. Could that be the reason I have been having strange dreams?
Yes. Listen. If you can take. This evil woman is determined. I'm telling you. And we know that she can never stop. Do you understand? With this sacred sound that I just thrown at you now, I believe that her spell is broken.
Yes. Yes, because I felt something. I felt something just left me.
Good.
Yes, I got that effect. Like, I felt something just left my body.
What left you was that spell that I just broken.
Oh my goodness.
Listen. We must wait for her next visit to confirm her helplessness. Immediately this is confirmed, we must leave immediately before she revives.
Yes.
You understand?
You're right.
But meanwhile, let us leave here now.
Okay.
I feel like I'm betraying my man.
How do you mean?
This is the time that he needs me the most. And I haven't gone to help him.
What exactly do you want to do? Do you want to disobey the king who has already asked you to stay away from his son? Or you want to disobey your mother who has also told you the same thing? What exactly do you want?
I know they said all of that. But look at this very well. He will be expecting me to stand strong for him.
That is exactly what you're doing. You are strong. You are one of the strongest maidens I have ever seen all my life. Listen, my friend. You are not going to disobey the king, neither your mother. Please, you really have to stay away. And I'm not going to be happy about it. Please. Please. Okay? If not for anybody, do it for your mother. And do it for me as well. Please.
Stop right there, you evil woman.
What have you come to do to me again?
What have you been doing behind my back?
And who are you to ask me that useless question? This place is the abode of the prince. You do not have the right to be here. What are you doing here? And who told you can exercise your evil powers around me?
You have pushed me to the walls.
Then do your worst.
As someone I love, I wanted to handle you softly. But the way it is, I have to crush what has to be crushed.
And that thing can never be me. I am a man of Obendida, and your evil powers have no effect around me.
I was unable to sleep last night. The words of that young man kept repeating themselves in my head throughout the night. A particular evil woman that possesses strange devilish powers has been busy silently destroying the kingdom of Obendida. Why have you not allowed me to deal with her? Why have you not allowed me to end her? As we speak, as I speak to you, this woman is busy destroying our kingdom silently. Oh. Is it when she succeeds in finally destroying the entire Obendida kingdom that you will rise? I am listening. Oh, I should wait for the right time to come. Oh, when is the right time? Is it when you fall to the ground that you begin to display smartness? Display your smartness while up there. When is the right time? Oh, as I speak to you, that same woman is busy destroying this kingdom. Now her latest plan is how to desecrate the prince. that same prince that gives the highest present during each annual Bendida festival, that same prince, why must we abandon him at a time like this? Why must we abandon him at a time like this? Why? Okay. Oh, that's all right. Okay, you want her to explore all her vanity before you can manifest. It's okay by me. It's very okay.
My very good friend, you're my friend and a brother. Do not play dumb on this. This woman is evil. I'm telling you.
What are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to tell you is that, believe me, let us live here. Because she's going to come back. She is evil. Let us live here. Okunka,
I just defeated this woman. Right before you, she took on her heels. Why are you trying to make her relevant?
No! I saw how she did not run. She walked away. Let us live here. That woman is evil. Do you understand? Let's live here. Because she is going to come back. If she meets you here, it is going to be disastrous.
I know what to do. I am going to offer a ram sacrifice to my chief.
That one is so fine. But your chief has not told you that he has resigned from protecting you if you fail to offer the ram today. Because I have lost count of the number of rams that you have killed for your chief. Let us live first. When we return, you can offer cow to your chief.
We run nowhere.
We're not running. We are going somewhere to
We go nowhere.
Mbago igwanyo aye ye alueme aye ye who will save us, who will liberate us aye Mbago is evil aye onye kulanyo
Mbago, what are you doing here this early? Has anyone offended you? You! I don't understand. What have I done?
Where is the prince?
The prince should be in his hut. I will send for him immediately.
Good.
Ogudere, my king.
Get me the prince immediately.
Good.
As you wishes, my king.
Moving around this thing actually means there's a problem. What is it?
From what I know, mother, that woman is a manipulator. Someone needs to challenge her. She needs to be challenged.
And you think that person must be you? Why are you standing up against a woman who the men avoid? Eneka!
That is it. Mother, that is the manipulation that I am talking about. If the men of this land decide, they can deal with her. But no, they have not decided. That is why it appears as if she is the overall deity of this kingdom.
Now listen and listen good. This should be the last time I am discussing that woman with you. I will not do it again, and don't bring it up again. Did you get me?
Mother, what are you saying? That woman is standing in the way of my love with the prince. She is.
The prince, the prince, the prince. Let the prince be. Who says you must marry the prince or even marry from this land? There are other men out there. Please, my dear, just listen. Let the prince go.
Oh, mother. I can't forget him. I cannot imagine my life without the prince, mother.
My prince! My prince! My prince!
My king, the prince is missing.
What do you mean by the prince is missing?
He's nowhere to be found, my king.
When elephants fight, the ground suffer. We have an agreement, and you have 4 days to produce the prince. You all think you have seen Mbago. The Mbago you'll be seeing if you refuse to produce the prince will shake the very foundation of your existence. You will look for help. You will cry for help. The help will never come.
Now, I need you to set out in search of the prince. Locate him wherever he is and bundle him back to the palace.
This is you, my king.
You, go with him.
I cannot just imagine my life without the prince.
Where is he? Come outside immediately before we set this heart on fire.
What is the meaning of this?
The prince has been missing, and I know that you are the one hiding him. So where is he?
How can you even say that?
Do you want me to report you to the central deity before you leave my family alone?
Go in there, search everywhere.
He's nowhere to be found.
The gods of our land will punish you all for this act of wickedness you're pouring out on my daughter and I. You all will be punished.
The gods of our land will not punish us, for they know we are doing our job. Hey, let's go.
Could this be true? He loves me. That is why he ran away from that evil woman.
Now listen. Shut up. You are dreaming. I've warned you to stay away from that family, and I will not warn you again. Stay away from that family, Neka. Inania?
Quest of power is dangerous.
Mostly, I'm tired of everything. Huh? What kind of humiliation is that? The king's guard in and out of my house, not the first time, not the second time, in search of the prince, as if I'm holding the prince's whole stage inside my heart.
This is getting serious. Neneka. If you ask me, I will suggest you should take your daughters to your brother's place.
Eh?
Yes.
I'll leave my husband's house and run away because of a fellow woman like me. Because she acquired evil powers with which she intimidates innocent souls.
My dear, just do it for the safety of you and for your daughter. I don't want anything to happen to you, Mabiko.
The next thing now, maybe you will be here, they will come. They will go and start looking for the prince, amongst my clothing.
Ashibakwa?
They had to do even with aqua. What kind of trouble is this?
Ben, please, just do as I said. For the safety of you and of your daughter. Please, to avoid more harm coming to you. Please.
So I'll just run out of my husband's house. I'll run up because of a fellow woman. Up me also.
Relax your mind, all right? Just relax, feel at home. This place is safe for you. Nobody will find you here. Oh?
So, Ogunga, does it mean you knew a day like this would come for you to have set up this place?
I did not set up this place. This is my father's hidden abode. Yes. It is only my mother and I who knows this place. We are son. So relax. We are safe here. We will stay here until we find a lasting solution to all this. So?
I want to personally appreciate you for everything you've done for me. Yes. If not for you, I would have still been under that woman's spell.
Yes. If you can take, don't mention, don't buy, forget about this thing. Yeah? What? Why am I your friend? I've told you, listen, whatever that has come to hurt you has also come to hurt me as well. Eh? You're my friend. Oh, you have forgotten. Eh? You have forgotten how you helped me when my parents passed away. You took me in as your brother. Just look at me. A nobody is now dining with the reality.
Okunka, don't make this look like a big deal. It's a small thing. Yes, I helped her brother.
It is nothing because you have a good heart. Let me tell you, as far as this life is concerned, I will never, there's no way I can ever pay you back for all your kindness towards me. That's why I am using all these other ways to appreciate you for the good things that you've done for me. Thank you so much, my brother.
One more thing. I have told you to stop calling yourself a nobody.
But I'm a nobody.
You are a great man with a heart of a lion. Yes. Whatever I do for you, I do for a brother. You are my right-hand man. My brother forever.
Ife Kante, the future king of Ogbendida kingdom.
Quest of power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah, the quest for power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah. Away, away. I am. Away, away. I am. Yeah. Away, yeah. I am. Yeah. I am. Quest of power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah, the quest for power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous.
My prince, something is bothering me. I don't know how you are going to feel about it, but I've told you before that whatever that hurts you hurts me as well.
What is it? Say it.
It's because of all this thing that is happening now. Eh? Now that it has been confirmed that it is your father's ambition that led to this, can't we rise and stop them?
I agree with you. I have thought about it. But the question now is, where do we start? How do we stop them? Yes.
If you can't finish this one and then.
Yeah, balloon mango. Okay. I'm okay, I'm fine.
I have an idea. Mbago, please. I am pleading with you. Give me more time. Please.
I have given you more than enough time. Today is the 3rd day and the coronation is in 2 days. My patience is small. I need the prince or you'll be gone.
For old time's sake, can you please make things easy for me? Please.
Ezabada, I do not have history with you. So I do not know what you meant by old time's sake. As way forward, I need that maiden to be arrested.
I have already issued an order barring her from coming anywhere near the palace. It was a direct order, and I know she will not disobey that order. What will I be doing with her if I arrest her?
She will be out bet. Arrest her. Arrest her immediately. Then we can take it off from there.
What is it? What is wrong with you? What happened?
If you can do it is your father. Eh? I was just coming from our community. Your father has arrested Neka because of you. Eh? Ah, what? My father did what? I'm telling you. Oh. To rescue her, of course. I need to rescue her. No, not now. Have you forgotten that your father, the king, is searching for you everywhere? You just have to rescue her. Is that what you want? So why did he arrest her? Why? Why did he arrest her? For what? For what? Listen, my prince. I believe probably this arrest is a way to lure you out so that they will come grip you in. I'm telling you. So relax. Don't worry. This is act to bring you out. And then they'll grab you. Let us plan the next move. Do you understand? Relax.
No, so
relax. Actually, no. Listen. I want your safety. And I don't want to lose you to that witch again. Relax, don't worry.
Let me ask you.
Okay.
What is your plan? How do you intend to handle this? How do you want to do it?
We will move tonight. Do you understand? But just relax your mind. Just allow me to do the planning. By the time I gathered enough information, we'll move. But for now, relax. Let me do the planning. You understand? Eh? Do you understand me?
My love.
How good by love?
I am coming to rescue you. And I must rescue you.
But not now. Listen. They're going to, if I live here to gather this information and you move, I go back, you are your own. Hello! 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 Hello!
Igwe, you are very right. You are very right.
You are very, very correct.
That's what it should be. No two ways about it.
Mbago, how dare you enter the king's chambers without invitation? Don't you know that this is king's chamber and you have to respect the king and elders?
Bago, this is an absolute disrespect to the king and to the elders.
Elders of our land, please let us take it easy on her. Maybe she's here with special information for the Igwe.
Exactly. Ono is right. Let us allow her to speak.
I will ignore the insults from these elders because of what we are planning. Tomorrow is the coronation of King of Kings, Eze Ndi Eze of Omambala. The king has shown interest in becoming the Eze Ndi Eze. And I am here for the final preparation.
Igwe, are you still interested in this office that wants to consume you? King of Kings?
You see, Abate, don't allow me to fall out with you. Be very careful with your utterances. What do you mean by the office that can consume me? Are you sick in the head or what? How can you say that?
Onyeze, I do not have time for the negative energy of these elders without ambition. I want to get busy with the preparation and I need them to excuse me.
Elders, you don't need to be confused. Contrary to what some of you think, this is actually something big. What will elevate our kingdom from one level to another bigger level. It is on that note that I'm asking us to please excuse us. I want to get busy with her.
My king, we understand.
Good.
Ndichie.
My son was captured last night.
And that is why I'm here for the preparation. The rule for winning is that you must strip yourself of all royal protection. They want to see purity. Purity is the only thing that qualifies you for the prayer at Agbanabo.
So how are we going to achieve that? I am not saying I am not pure. I am pure. But I know that my level of purity may not be up to what they are expecting. So how do we handle this?
You worry too much. That is why you have me. I've prepared the charm that will neutralize everything. And it will uplift you to the state of purity. And this will intimidate every other contender. You will win. And the rest will be history.
Hey! I had always known that you can be trusted. Thank you. Thank you.
That the prince has been captured is one thing. That he has become mine is another. The former has happened. The latter has not happened. So when is it going to happen?
I am sorry for causing you pain. I never wanted you to suffer like this. I promise I will get you out of this. Okay.
I understand what is going on.
I really missed you. I could not stop thinking about you. That evil woman cast a spell on me. I totally forgot about myself and my existence. But thanks to the gods that my friend Okunka came to rescue me from her evil plans.
I really want to go home. I want to go back to my mother. She is all I have. And I do not want to lose her.
I know. She will go home. I will definitely make sure I get you out of this.
Yes. How did it go?
Okunka will have to do something.
Yes.
And it has to be done very fast. If not, she will succeed in defiling the prince.
May the gods of my land forbid. Okay. May the gods forbid. Oh. See. Kolonze. Kolonze. Can you arrange able, vibrant young men? I mean, more young men to be part of this mission. No, forget about the appointment. The prince will pay. Trust me, I promise you that the prince will pay when everything is settled.
Okunka, you don't understand what I'm saying.
I'm telling you, I trust my prince. If I can take her, he will pay. He will pay. Just arrange men. Strong, vibrant men.
The payment is not even the problem. The problem is that Mbago is involved in this problem. And you know that every villager is afraid of her.
I'm not afraid of that idiot. I am not afraid of that idiot that calls herself Mbago. Me. See, you idiot. Me. I am not afraid of her. I am not afraid of that idiot. Let her hear me wherever she might be. Every other one in this kingdom might be afraid of Mbago. I, Okunka, the son of Mbadiwe, is not afraid of that idiot. She's an idiot.
Reduce your voice, so.
All right, okay. Let her hear me. Mbago, Kebino, you are an idiot. What are you telling me? Listen, see. Okolonze, if you will listen to me, forget about the idiot. I'm telling you, forget about it. That woman is nothing as far as Okunka is concerned.
Okay.
You understand? Let us plan on how to make the use of the masquerade to send her out of this kingdom. Yes! Let us make the use of the potency of the masquerade of this kingdom to send her packing out of this community.
Okunka, I'm not here.
You heard me. You were here.
I did not hear you.
You heard me. By the time we involve the masquerade, she's as gone.
All others stayed away because they believe they do not have the purity to stay and pray at Abanabo. You stayed because you said you are qualified.
So how are we going to achieve that? I am not saying I am not pure. I am pure. But I know that my level of purity may not be up to what they are expecting. So how do we handle this?
You worry too much. That is why you have me. I've prepared the charm that will neutralize everything. And it will uplift you to the state of purity. And this will intimidate every other contender. You will win. And the rest will be history.
Hey! I had always known that you can be trusted. Well, they all ran away because they knew it. That I am the only one who is already qualified to be the Eze of Omambala.
Prove it! Come to the basket of water. Wash your hands and your face.
Thank you very much.
You don't need to thank me. You need to leave here now. You need to go and save the king, your father.
Yes. Please, just take her to the rescued hut, okay? I'll be right back. You know that evil woman created all of this just to achieve her evil ambition. But I will stop her. I am going to stop her. Just take her to the rescue.
Please, be safe. Be safe, Mama.
Come on.
Come on, quickly. If you get there, if you can. Be safe.
Who is the person that can stop me? The idea of the King of Kings was created by me, Mbago. So I shall become the woman king today.
What have you done to my father, you evil woman? What have you done? Hold on.
Who freed you from bondage? You're going to experience the agony of seeing your father dying.
Stop!
Oh, giddy! Oh, giddy! I'm a oh, giddy!
What have you done?
Oh, giddy! What are you wa Joano? To an iguin or dabanimie.
You have to put yourself together. Stop hurting yourself. I know how you feel.
You do not know how I feel. Ogunga. You do not know how I feel. That evil woman killed my father in my presence. And you tell me you know how I feel?
Yeah, because your father killed himself for associating with an evil woman who the gods abhor. He allowed himself to be led by that evil woman and then paid the ultimate price. No matter what he did, that evil woman has no right to humiliate a king by killing him in the presence of his people. No! She does not have the right. You are the one saying this.
But you know what?
Hey. What?
I will avenge my father's death.
I agree with you.
I will do it.
No. I don't have any problem with that. Whatever you are doing for the people, just know it that I am partnering with you. I am with you. I am by your side. But you and I have to agree first that your father killed himself. Was it not your father that gave access to that woman?
What are you saying?
What are you not saying you do?
Listen, I am not disputing that fact.
No! But I just told you that I said that whatever, no matter what he did, she has no right to humiliate my father by killing him in the presence of Nine. Stop this now. Ah!
I am sorry for everything I put you into. You have been through perdition because of me. I am sorry I wasn't there to fight for you, to protect you.
It was never your fault. It was your father's greed and selfishness. It took him to his grave. I am sorry for all your losses. You do not deserve everything that you went through. You don't.
I know.
Tell me, what are you up to now that Mbago has ascended the throne?
That is one of the reasons I'm here. The kingdom is not safe. And I know she will not rest until she puts me down. Okunga and I have decided to go on an exile. We will return. I will definitely return.
You're right. Here is not safe for you. Can I come with you?
No. You don't have to. It is going to be a dangerous journey. I want you to be here. I promise I will come back to take you as my queen. Please. Alright?
I'm going to miss you.
Oh, greetings in there.
It's okay. I am going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. Have to be on my way.
I don't want to see you anywhere near me or my daughter. Did you get that?
Mother, why are you embarrassing him like this?
Shut up and go in! Shut up! Leave now! We have suffered enough because of you. Get out of my house and never come back again!
Mother, why are you being hostile to him? He has done nothing than show me love.
Shut up and go in! Nonsense. I don't want to see you in this compound again. Rubbish.
I'm sorry. It is fine. I have to go.
For how long are you going to suffer humiliation, all in the name of love? Forget about all these women and concentrate on things that lies ahead. Your lack of concentration is the reason why you lost your father. That is the same reason why we have a woman today ruling us as king.
And you are one of the cowards who are already seeing her as their king.
If not that you are my prince, I would have called you a Philip, which is the full meaning of good for nothing. Are you going to pretend like you don't know that she's already the king? And you are the reason she became king. If you fail to act, she will solidify her reign. And you know what that means. You will not have a kingdom to rule. Okay.
Could this be what they have been discussing? How is it my fault? How is this my fault?
Mother, what you did to the prince is not right. You know that everything that happened was never his fault.
Why are you continuously giving me the impression that you don't have sense?
Why would you say that, Mother?
And why won't I say that? Don't you have eyes to see the happenings around us? The gods are showing us signs that you two are not meant for each other. So, now tell me, what is it? Ever since you two started talking about this marriage, it has been from one trouble to the other. Neka, mepanyagi, see what is happening.
Mother, I believe that all of this trouble is because the prince and I have a great future together. It's just the evil ones that are trying to stop us. Yes.
Oh, Mom. Love may be blind to those that choose to be blind. But you and I are not blind, so we will not make mistakes, my dear.
I am no longer a child, Mother. I know what I am into. And I know that I am not making any mistake.
Now listen, when you see a woman that tells you that her child have suddenly become wilder than she is, then you are listening to a liar. You, my own child, will not be wilder than I am. Did you get that? And settle it down your head and your mind. Neka, I said settle it. If not, I will send you back to Onono to stay with my brother, your uncle.
Don't even say that, Mother, because I would never go back to Onono. Never.
Then, be wise. Did you get that?
I know the risk you've taken coming here to see me.
My mother will take me to Uncle Neka at Onono if she finds out that I come here to see you.
May the gods forbid. That's your uncle that will always force you to go to the farm every day.
Yes, that's Uncle Onyeka, the workaholic.
This is going to be our last meeting. I go into his eye tonight. Please. I want you to take care of yourself.
Relax.
Please, just promise me you'll take care of yourself.
I promise. I'll try. I'll do my best.
Asam, if possible, take your mother to almost a village. I have spoken to someone that will receive you there. You'll be safe. Just do that as soon as possible. Okay?
I will really miss you.
I
will try and be safe. I pray that the gods will protect and guide you.
Be safe.
And I'll try and be strong for you.
You be strong.
Please, be strong. We're running out of time.
I know. I know.
Let's leave. We have no time more. Leave here now. We have no time. Bende, don't worry. Oh, he'll be back. Time. Joyce, you want to go with us? Wait, just.
Who will save us? Who will liberate us? Mbago is evil. Onye kulanyo, onye anulanyo.
The place is close. Do you understand? We must continue to walk until we get to our destination.
Honestly, I never knew the place is this far.
This far. Don't complain, don't complain. A man who is running for his life should not get tired.
I am tired already. I never knew the place is this far. Like,
well, let us go. Oh, let us go now. You're tired. You're tired. Your legs cannot carry you.
Because
I'm trying to let you know.
No, Ezemo. Please don't scare me.
I have not come to scare you. I am in a very special mood as we speak. With my periodic and psychic bruises, I have come to guide you into safety.
Safety? This is my hut, and I'm safe here.
This is your hut, I know. And that safety is not granted because the evil one has taken over the political structure of Ugbendida kingdom.
I don't have any business with her.
So you think, but she has something in mind. She has the belief that she will use you as a bet to achieve something.
What does that mean?
What it means is that you must leave now. Leave with your daughter. Immediately. She's about to strike. Let it be. You are gone with your daughter before she strikes.
What do you mean you could not find them?
My queen, we got there in the middle of the night, determined to arrest them as you've instructed, but we could not find them.
Incompetence. I cannot condole with this kind of incompetence. Aki.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Take this log of food and lock him up. Then take 2 men with you. Go get me those women. Make sure you come back here with them. Do not return if you don't bring them.
Consider it done, Your Majesty.
Good. Now take this idiot away.
Have mercy, Ziwine.
Stand! Move.
Your Majesty, the great wise one, the almighty Mbago of Ogbendida Kingdom. I'm glad you finally ascended the throne. Our efforts are not in vain. Our plans to eradicate that all-knowing king from the throne worked so perfectly. Now we'll team up together and work and enjoy the benefits together. How does that sound, my king?
I look at you and I wonder why you think you're smarter than Mbago, the ancient apocalypse.
The great one. Why will you say that to me?
A man that's sold his brother cannot be trusted.
Will you call that selling a brother? You solicited for my help and I obliged.
Even when the one you betrayed was your best friend? You cannot take part in the affairs of my kingship.
My king, I don't know why you are telling me all this. I carried out all your tasks.
By accepting to do what you did, you gave out yourself that you are zero character. Zero!
Your Majesty, please. Please, don't do this to me. I will be loyal and remain loyal to you.
I do not need your loyalty.
Hey.
If you discuss me in your secret place, I will hear you. And I will arrest you and make sure I kill you.
My king, please, please, reconsider.
Aki,
Permanently at your services, wine.
if he refuses to leave, tie him up and flog him to death.
Hey! Not me, oh! Please!
Betrayer.
Hey, oh no!
Ichi Abati. Ichi Abati.
Who's after you?
Ichi Abati, we are finished. Ichi Abati, we are finished.
What are you talking about? Finish for how? How? What?
Ichi Abati, do you know that?
If you discuss me in your secret place, I will hear you. And I will arrest you and make sure I kill you.
My king, please, please.
You are not saying anything. Wait, does it have to do with the new man king?
Ichi Abati, please. I did not say anything. I did not tell you anything at all. Please, I did not say anything.
What are you talking? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! This is serious. Very, very serious. If Onowu himself cannot even confront the woman king, that means we are finished as a people. We are finished as a people. We are finished.
I'm trying so hard to understand why you elders walk into my throne wearing baskets on your heads.
If the one who parades herself as king does not understand the implications of elders coming before the throne wearing baskets on their heads, then we can confidently say that she is not even a king.
How dare you stand before me and say that I am not even a king?
A time must come when the elders will wear baskets on their head and speak into the face of the king.
I'm sparing your lives because I've been warned not to use my power as I'm already holding the staff of the kings. But you lousy elders are provoking me. Let me warn you. I am not wired into protocols. I can kill at any time.
Mbago! Mbago! Bring it on! I say bring it on! You think we are afraid of you?
We are not afraid of you. Listen to me. The masquerades of Ogbendida slept, and the throne was hijacked. Now the masquerades are wide awake, and we have come here to tell you that no one, no individual in Ogbendida shall pay the new tax.
Who is backing? Who is backing?
Let's get out of here.
Should I break them down, Your Majesty?
Hold on first. I want to understand what he meant by masquerade was sleeping and masquerade has woken up.
Oh no.
Oh no. What happened to him?
My elders, you wake up.
What happened to him?
My elders, he came from the palace 3 days ago and was lamenting that his greediness has killed him. I kept asking him, what is the problem? But he didn't utter a word. Last night, I came to give him his food and found him rolling on the ground, screaming and scratching all over his body. My elders, we have not slept till now.
Oh no. We have woken the sleeping masquerade of Ogbendida. Now what happened? Talk to us.
My people, please, please forgive me. I have betrayed your trust.
What are you talking about? What do you mean?
I joined forces with Mbago to cause all these things that happened.
I want you not to say anything. That I cannot do anything to those who attach themselves to the masquerade does not mean I cannot kill you. You have benefited from the well, and you cannot destroy the ancient apocalypse.
I betrayed my land. It was Mbago.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Leave him. Don't touch him.
Oh no! Oh no! My husband! My husband! My husband! My husband!
What I am saying is that men should act as men. What I mean is that it is not too late for men to rise and salvage their land.
What are we going to do, Ezemo?
You see, Ezemo, we've come to see you because we believe we need your help. And the course you can help us. You can help us.
Asino nabuzo dema agaya ngenabo. Ihe mere dema emekwa ya ọzọ. She was helpless and devastated when you people confronted her with baskets on your heads. By so doing, you have activated the Ibobo of the masquerade. So, why can't you do that again?
She has hijacked the ancient staff of the king. And we are sure that's what she used in killing Ono.
No. Ono killed himself. Men should do what only men should do. There is no time. There is no time.
Speak! I'm the only one left out of the three that went to session in a can of mother. The rest died as a result of this poisonous snake bite.
So where are the women?
I could not find them. Maybe they are dead or they got captured by the slave hunters. I searched the entire kingdom, still could not find them. Pardon me.
Pardon you?
That's my king. Please, spare my life. Spare my life. My loyalty brought me back to give you back to what happened. Please.
Now run. Run as fast as your leg can carry you. Imbecile. Aki!
Permanently at your services, mine.
Now, cause the town crier to announce it all over the kingdom that I, Mbago, the only woman king, the Ezewan Dikeh of Obendida kingdom, has decreed that there will not be anything like Edearo festival. I am establishing my own festival called the Mbago Festival.
Consider it done, Your Majesty.
Move it!
Whatever misfortune we're going through today, you caused it.
But how did I cause it? Is it my fault that that evil woman started looking at my man?
Stop calling him your man. He is not your man and never had the intention of marrying you. If he had, he would have married you long before this woman started looking at him.
Mother, you're bringing a different interpretation to this and it's not fair. It's not fair.
Then shut up and let me think of a way out for us.
Mother, trust me. Nothing is wrong with us. At the appointed time, my man will step in. I promise you, you have to trust me.
Put it away! 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 Dikeh! Put it away! Put it away!
What was that in his hands? And where were you helpless before it? Aki!
Permanently at your services, mine.
Take care of things here. I have business to take care of.
Yes, Your Majesty. She is definitely crossing our lines. Will she have something to fall back on when the Mother Earth rises against her?
What manner of dream was that? What was that in his hands that rendered you helpless? What? Who is that? Who is that? Show yourself. Who are you? What was that? What rendered you helpless? What did he have in his hands that... What was that? Who is it? Who is playing this shadow game with me? Who is playing with Mbago, the ancient apocalypse? Show yourself! Ah! 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 No, 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 no. No! No!
If you can talk again, what is it now? Eh? Why are you bothering yourself? Do you want to kill yourself?
Okunka.
Yes?
Honestly, I am seriously bothered.
Bothered?
Yes.
Why are you bothered?
I feel that we have betrayed our ancestors.
How? No, why will you say a thing like that? No. How have we betrayed our ancestors? How?
Okay, listen. An evil woman who has never respected our ancestors or any sacred institutions of Obendida has hijacked our kingdom. And you and I are here, hiding. Does it make any sense to you?
Oh, if I can't, what is this? Why are you killing yourself for nothing? Was it not only yesterday that we consulted the Biafra? Yeah? What did he tell you?
Akarita nabo na kuobutam. Akarita nabo na kuobutam. Eke Olie Afọ Nkwọ Ọ ka o si mee Kedu na ife a ga-eme aba? Wee sụọ ya nri. Kedu na ife a ga-eme aba? Wee sụọ ya nri. Asị m ndụ ọ dịkwa. Ka ọsị m n'okirikiri ka a na-agba ka ose na-adịghara ya enu. Okiri ka a na-ekiri ododo maka na adịghị ododo enyi ozu. Ọ ka o mere maka na otoke enwe n'ude. Ewe m jụ sị ndụ ọ dịkwa. Ọsị m na ndụ dị. Maka na shi onye na-ebu eze. You may be here, but your she has moved ahead of you to secure what belongs to you.
Ezedibia, I am not just concerned about myself. I am concerned about the entire people of Obindida Kingdom. Please.
I see Ononara Mifani. Your she is not asleep. Time will tell.
Biafra said that your chi is not asleep. That your chi has moved ahead of you to secure what belongs to you. So I ask you, if you can tell, why are you bothered?
You do not understand it, do you? Listen to me.
An evil woman has outlawed our sacred Ede-Aro festival
and replaced it with whatever nonsense she called Mbago Festival.
And she has even started collecting taxes from our people.
They are already living under her wicked reign.
And you want me to sit here, stand and watch you?
No!
I am going to Obindida Kingdom. My kingdom. I need to visit my kingdom.
You are going to Obindida Kingdom to go and do what if you can do.
Okay.
First off, I will set that her evil altar ablaze. Then, mobilize youths of Obindida Kingdom to take back our kingdom. And I know we can do it.
Ah, wonderful. Hi. If you can take the Grand Prince of Obindida, wonderful ideas, brilliant ideas.
But you know what? I am not in support of that nonsense move. It's like you are now interested in that task that she's collecting.
What is it?
What do you mean, what is it?
What is your problem?
Didn't I say that you are cheap?
Wait, are you
are you telling me that
no,
are you not believing the
believing what?
That said that you are cheap?
Something has to
allow your cheap to finish what they have started.
So what?
Imagine the crown prince running away from his kingdom, and you're telling me this nonsense. You are not running away from the kingdom. You are waiting patiently for your chi to secure what belongs to you. All the candidates they know about the start and collect your baba. What's your problem? Can't you allow your chi to do what else?
You know full well that is not
Mbago Iwanyo, Ayenio, yeah, Alueme, Aye, yeah, who will save us? Who will liberate us? Aye, Mbago is evil, aye, Onye Kulanyo. Onye ya nụla anyị ọkụ ae ihe
Why is it appearing to me as if I'm losing everything? What are these forces against me? And why am I helpless to the forces? Aki! Aki!
Permanently at your services, mine.
Aki, what do you know about Prince Ifekante?
Your Majesty, rumor has it that he went into hiding after the death of his father. Some said he's dead. Others say he's hiding somewhere in this kingdom.
Rumors?
Yes, Your Majesty.
He's hiding in this kingdom and nobody has seen him?
Well, Your Majesty, considering the way his almighty father died, I believe he knew that the best defense to take was to go into hiding.
His exact whereabouts is very important to me. I do not intend to dwell on speculations.
So, Your Majesty, do you want me to search all the huts in this kingdom and fish him out?
That would be great. Take your best men. See a seer, if possible.
Your Majesty, did you say a seer? What happened to your powers? I am very sorry, Your Majesty. I will do as you have commanded.
Good. I will not allow them bring me ridicule. I am the king. And if they attempt to silence me, I will open the pot of death and I will cause destruction upon Obendida kingdom. If they like, let them call it cleansing of a kingdom. I do not care.
Mbago Iwanyo, Ayenio, yeah, Alueme, Aye, yeah, who will save us? Who will liberate us? Aye, Mbago is evil.
Mother, what is it? You look worried.
I've been thinking about what you said, and I'm beginning to feel that you're right.
Thank you, Mother. So should I go back to Obendidan in search of my man?
Neka, I'm not talking about Prince Ifekante. I'm thinking about the evil woman that has hijacked our Obendida. The fillers I got from the market today is not good at all.
Same thing with me, Mother. That woman is destroying the land. The people are on the run. What do we do?
Mbago, the self-acclaimed ancient apocalypse, the one who has demystified fear. Why am I finally looking into your face and I am seeing fear?
Now I'm finally ready for you to do that which you want to do with me. Don't get yourself involved with this, for I have already gone far with this.
You have gone far in evil, Mbago. And do you think we are going to allow evil rule forever?
That you don't understand a thing does not make you conclude that that thing is evil. I have noble plans for this land, and that will start with the Mbago festival.
The useless festival you smuggled in and outlawed our sacred Edaro festival?
Mbago festival is not a useless festival. It is a festival that will bring noble men from far land to marry our maidens.
It is not going to hold. Mbago, for old time's sake, I am pleading with you to dismantle your structure and your grip over this land. Run away to a far land where you will remain until you die. If you fail to listen to this instruction and remain here, your remains will not experience decent burial.
And what do you think you're doing? Walking out on me?
Mbago, for old time's sake, self-acclaimed ancient apocalypse, run away from this land. Run very far away from this land.
Now you give me a reason to kill you a second time.
My prince. Eat. This is the oil. No. My prince. My prince. Don't tell me that we are still in the same issue. The Biafra has already settled this matter. Can we just leave it at that?
Ogunga, I have been having this terrifying dream. I often see this little girl crying. And when I go close to her, she disappears. It has been happening for some time. I do not know what it means. I do not understand it.
Well, I do not know what it means either. But my prince, do not be tempted to think that it is about Neka. Remove it from your mind. Yes, no. It is not about her. That dream is not about her. Lieji, it.
So if it is not about her, what is it about?
I don't know. You say you do not understand the meaning. So eat. Your key is somewhere doing something for you. You don't want to eat? No, my baby, no. Oh, come on. Start for me to.
Father,
the only thing I am going to say to you is that I am sorry. I betrayed you. And I betrayed the sacredness of Obwendida. My evil ambition brought the destruction that we are now facing. But I need you to know something. That men who got weakened and lost their masquerade can always reinvent themselves and reclaim that masquerade.
but the masquerade has stayed long in the hands of aliens that I fear it might not return to the owners anymore.
No matter what the new owner of a dog decides to do to that dog, the dog can never forget the original owner who failed to kill it when it was vulnerable. No matter the sacrifice the new owners of the masquerade has made to the spirit of the masquerade will never forget the original chants of the owners of that masquerade. I need you to rise and fight for the masquerade.
How do I fight? Tell me, how do I fight when that evil woman is busy killing all the men who rise against her?
She has risen against all men, but she has never risen against Ogbuefi Ugonabo. You know where to pinch your tent. Fight. Fight for your soul. Fight for the throne of Obwendida Kingdom.
My prince, you're wearing the basket of feathers. I know what it means. Because when an initiated man like you wears the basket of feathers, it means that you are determined to speak to a higher authority without fear.
Okunko, I am glad you know this. We need to leave here.
Leave?
You heard?
I don't understand. Leave to where?
Back to our kingdom. Ha! I need to go and assume my position as the king of my people. My people need me. Do you not understand?
My prince. The Biafra already told you that your chi has gone ahead of you to solve all your problems. Does it mean that you did not believe him?
I believe him.
If you believe him,
my chi has done his part. I have to do the rest. We'll leave. If you do not want to go with me, I will go alone.
Oh yes, it's not possible. Even you yourself, you know that I cannot leave you. You know. But the question now is that how are we going to defeat that idiot, that woman of sin? How are we going to defeat her?
I am the son of my father. My father, even in death, has never abandoned me. We have to leave.
You are not talking. Have you found the location of the one that I want to sacrifice to solve my problem?
I came face to face with the chief priest today. And from my observations, there is an underground movement to reinstate the kingship of this kingdom. And that is where you come in. I will advise you desist from any further plans of yours to whom and what you represent. Because you cannot survive what they are planning.
What has come over you? Why do I have this feeling that your loyalty is fading out?
I see you are ready to face the consequences of your action.
Put it away! 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 Dikeh! Put it away! Put it away!
What is that in your hand?
You have from now till sunrise tomorrow to leave Ogbendida. If the sun gets to the middle of the sky by tomorrow and you are still in this land, you will face the brutality of the masquerade.
I am the king, the ancient apocalypse. I wonder what gave you the right to bring that strange charm into my land. I am the king of this land.
No, stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop!
You are the king, and you cannot stand the wand of Anunwebe. You remain here till we have your time.
All of you are jokers. You are jokers. I'm not going anywhere. The Mbago festival must hold, and even the masquerades cannot stop me.
And where do you think you're going to?
Mother, we are done with the cleaning. I want to go to the palace and look for my man.
Maybe it's time I tell you the truth.
What truth, Mother?
The prince is no longer in the land. The heat became so much for him that he went into exile. I gathered that he is dead, and the youth are preparing for his funeral.
No, that is not true, Mother. The prince asked me to wait for him. And I know that he is waiting for me as well. He cannot die.
Nega, my daughter, you can choose to believe what you want, but you're not stepping out of this compound.
No. Let me go.
You people are not permitted to be here.
You idiot! For say that rubbish! Listen, if you don't want me to slap you, shut up! Hey. If you don't want me to slap you, just shut up.
Slap me when you know I'm telling you the truth?
You cannot take anything here. Yeah? We are here to protect this place.
No, idiot. My prince. I have the offer. Yes. Let's leave here, my prince. Let us go.
If any man would than you, aye, Anyaga walaga no, Mbago ibuanyo, aye, yeah, Alue me, aye, yeah, who will save us?
Alucio dodo, Mbago, Alucio dodo. Wanyiki bia Alucio dodo. Wanyika woke Alucio dodo. Mbago, Alucio dodo. Who are these enemies of my soul? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Who are these enemies of my soul? What have I done? What? Who are you? Show!
You surrendered yourself to the forces that seek the destruction of Ogwende. They gave you powers, negative powers, destructive powers, with which you have been dominating, intimidating, and oppressing this land all this while. Take this staff of the priest and denounce them now. Denounce every negativity or the demonic influences hovering around your head. Denounce them now so you can be helped. So we can help you return to the new Ogbendeda kingdom.
Stop misleading the people. For I am planning a festival. It's called the Mbago Festival.
Whatever festival you are planning will never see the light of the day. That festival will not hold. For this is the new dawn.
I am the new dawn. I'm going to teach the people the power of prosperity. I, Mbago, the daughter of Mbati, I'm going to open up the land so that noblemen from other kingdoms will only come to Ogbendeda to take their wives.
Maidens of Ogbendeda are made for the men of Ogbendeda. Anyone trying to enthrone a system where the so-called noblemen of other lands are the ones marrying the maidens of Ogbendeda is an enemy and must be resisted.
You daughter of a millipede that cannot amount to anything. Are you the one to resist me?
How dare you refer to my woman as the daughter of a millipede? I am the chosen king, and the end of manipulations has come.
No! No! No, please! I beg you! I beg you! Give me that, and I will leave Obendida and never to come back.
Too late!
Please!
Too late!
Eh!
Your end is now.
No, please!
Your end has come!
Please! No! 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 No!
End. That is who she is. That's her real self. She has been exposed. Finally, peace has been restored to Obendida.
Hey. Ancient apocalypse. Fiawa. And that is the fate of whoever that uses evil force to dominate or rule over others.
Mother! Why are you such a disobedient child? I ordered you not to go out of this compound.
Forgive me, Mother. Mother, you cannot believe what happened. Right before the chief priest, the prince declared me his wife to be.
And what did that evil woman say?
Well, what she said is no longer important, for she has paid the ultimate price for her evil deeds. Mother, you needed to have seen the way the prince challenged her when she referred to me as the daughter of a millipede.
What? That lunatic called me a millipede. Onayala. Who the hell does she think she is?
Mother, well, that is overtaken by events, because she is no more. Yes, I am going to be the one to marry the prince. I am going to be the new queen of Obendida. I am going to be the new queen, Mother.
Congratulations. Oh,
Mother, I am so excited.
Oh, thanks to the gods of our land.
Mother, finally.
Ezemo came to remind me that my father died because he failed to live as king. He went further to warn me never to follow my father's footsteps. The truth is, my father refused to remarry after the untimely departure of my mother. Yes, and that alone created an opening for the enemy to strike. I've already promised myself that I will not follow my father's footsteps.
I will equally be here to guide you, my king. When it becomes difficult for us mortals, I know that the gods will not leave you.
Thank you, my queen.
You know, I am glad that peace has been restored to the people of Ubendida. And in peace and harmony, we shall rule.
You see.
Quest of power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah, the quest for power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah.